bags going into the cargo hold now. But we should be ready nicely ahead of our scheduled departure time of 5 minutes past 7 o'clock this morning, in about 10 minutes time from now. Not expecting any delay at all from air traffic control, so once we're all buttoned up and ready to go, we'll be pushing back off our stand, starting our engines, then taxiing out to the departure runway. We're going to be taking off towards the west today. That means we'll climb ahead just a couple of miles before we then turn right, and then we'll point ourselves towards Aberdeen. We have in the region of about 450 miles to cover this morning, and a flight time of about 1 hour and 5 minutes today, so looking for a nice on-time arrival at about 8:35 today. Anyway, more on that later on. I will keep you updated as the flight goes on with regards to that all-important arrival time, also for the forecast landing conditions as well, which I'm afraid can't promise you the weather that we have here.
To the end of the briefing. All handheld devices, including mobile phones, must now be in flight safe mode or switched off and held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed away safely. Finally, please ensure your window blind is in the open position for takeoff, and as a reminder, smoking is not permitted at any time whilst on board. If you have any questions, please ask a member of your cabin crew. Thank you.
And you are, I'm the director, Chubodichi. I'll take it from here. What?
Hello. We'll now demonstrate the safety features on this aircraft. Please pay attention, as these may differ from an aircraft that you've flown on before.
The name's G. Chubodichi.
Hand baggage should not block the aisles or exit. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Please place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure someone. In an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit. Thing with you.
I'm feeling shaken.
The next hour, and we'd also like to welcome all of our executive club members and our one-world frequent flyers. Would you recommend that the seatbelt is kept fastened whenever you are seated, or must be securely fastened should the seatbelt signs come on during the flight? And do be careful when opening overhead lockers, just in case the items may have moved during takeoff and could fall out and injure someone. As soon as it's safe to do so, we'll be up to start an onboard service in our club cabin. We have a complimentary breakfast and drinks from the bar. And if you're a traveller, we have a great selection of items to purchase. from the Marks and Spencers on board ready, which you'll find in the seat back in front.
Between 20 past and 25 minutes past 8 o'clock this morning. So after a short taxi, should be arriving on a parking stand nicely ahead of our scheduled arrival time of 8:35. Latest weather conditions, I'm glad to say that early morning fog has actually drifted away now. Has actually burnt off quite nicely. Quite a nice warm start to the morning, 18 degrees Celsius in the minute with virtually calm winds. So that's all we think stand now. We should be landing in just over 15 minutes time from now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Aberdeen. The time is approaching 8:30 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seats, take care when opening rear bed lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area.
cross-check.